Welcome! Today we are going to talk about something special. Brazil! Are you ready? This is the flag. It has a green background with a yellow diamond in the middle, with a blue circle and 27 white stars. Wow! Christ the Redeemer monument is 17 times larger than the average person. It stands 30 meters tall on Corcovado Mountain. Brazil is the largest country in South America. It is famous for soccer. Do you like to play soccer? They are also famous for samba music. To the world's greatest party! Wow! Rio Carnival! People dance in the streets! You can wear a mask! Party all night long! Did you know Brazil is home to the largest percentage of the Amazon rainforest? With millions of species of insect and animals! I'd love to go to a jungle. Let's take a ride down the Amazon River. What a beautiful world. The people of the moon are a tribe that live in the forest. Some people live in a favela. It's so colorful. In Brazil, people speak Portuguese. You can go to the beach and tell someone have a good day, but tell them in their language. Bom dia. Bom dia. Zsoopsz. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.